In last video, we covered how to set up your chart neat and clean. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you haven't watched it, I will leave the link below. You can continue watching this video and click on that later and watch that through. In this video, we're going to cover very important topic, how to add indicators. And if you don't know what indicators are a derivative based on the price information available, and over a period of time it uses the data of the stock price, whether it's open, high, low, close, and also look at based on the time period what exactly different indicators do. The purpose of this video is not to talk about indicators per se, because there are millions of indicators available today. It is more about how to use TradingView, the free version, and make you smart in that. So let's get started. My name is Shivendra Bhatia and I'm founder of Peaceful Weekend Investing Hub. Invest with a plan, not with a feeling. And I'm on a mission to help professionals invest in stock market like a pro. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it, because I keep coming up with the latest videos regularly, weekly basis. So we're going to be seeing how to add indicators, and I'll give you a pro tip at the end. So see how we can add multiple indicators and make benefit of free version itself. So if you haven't got an account, log into sbhatia.co/tradingview and create your free account. Okay, so let's get started. So let me remove all of that. So this is how, if you see any chart, so let me just, because I was trying to do that, let me just simply, so get here, so remove all the drawings. So this is what we were here in the chart. As you can see that we discussed all how to set up this beautiful layout, and you can see this is a chart of Infosys, which is the weekly chart, and you can see it is high, it has made 1953.90 paisa, and it is low, and this particular frame is 1136. And if you want to see its low price, all-time low is 70 paisa and high is 1953, and current green is 1597.10. It's small, but I think you're getting what I'm saying. So as you move along, I'm just rolling my thing, or you can use this arrows, or you can use this plus sign so you can expand. As you can see, this is where the timelines are below 218, that is 2018 and 2022. The high was 1953.90 paisa and low was this. If you further zoom in, you will see that it is the highs and lows changing. So let's go back to indicators. So indicators, if you type slash on the top, you will get indicators, or you can click here by mouse and you get all the indicators menu appearing, sub menu appearing here. And as you can see here, there on the left hand bar, there is my script. When you create your own script, it will show up here. And the Pine script is a programming language in TradingView. We'll cover a separate video, so don't worry about it at this point. Let's move on. And this is all the indicators. And indicators we have, which is where you have so many indicators available out of the box. And you can see the new or updated, so it will tell you that what has been added, and there has been new open interest added here, which is great. So they keep on updating this tool, and this is a SaaS based tool, which is amazing. So 24-hour volume, which is also good. And then you have different strategies, volume profile, auto, and candlesticks. We'll cover up later in next video. I don't want to make the video too big. Let's focus on indicators. And I will briefly talk about community script as well, because that will be something very interesting. So let's say I want to add 3 indicators. One is volume. I want to see what is the volume of that particular stock. And I want to add moving average. Let's say I'm adding one moving average. And I want to have 2 moving averages. So let me add 2 moving averages. And also I also want to add Donchen channel. That's an indicator. And as soon as I add the Donchen channel, there are 4 indicators I've already added. Now I want to know what is the, let's add one more here and see what is there. let's add the net volume. Moment I add it, what it says is that you can basic version, the current version has only 3 available. If you pay as a pro version, you get 5, pro plus 10, and premium 25. So you can upgrade and make a payment. But trust me, you can still be very good with the free version. So don't need to worry about it. So I will show you at the end some tips which will help you to add multiple indicators as well. So this is how you add the and plot the indicators, and you can easily, let's say for example, move visual orders. We can bring it front, back, and you can play around with it. Or I want the new pane below, so that volume bar has gone into it, and you can still customize it. You can change its visibility and details. So all that you can play around, as I said, and you can save it as a default for these ones, like how explained in the previous video. And you can customize these indicators, like for example, I want it to be 13. Sorry, so it'll be 13. and and if I want to do the this one, I want to change it to 14, then or 21, then it will be there. Okay, likewise you can change for Donchian channel as well, and this is how you set up that. Now coming to the pro tip. Okay, let's say you want to add more indicators, and I try to prefer keeping it very simple and easy, and I want to add one more here. So I will delete this moving average, and I will click on indicator, and I will type triple moving average. So what will happen is you will get a community script. As I mentioned to you, these are so many people who are writing the scripts here and giving you for free. So, and you can see people by their name, what is the name of the indicator. You need to understand more what they've written, because they would have written for their own purpose and strategy, but you want to understand that. Like for example, this TEMA triple moving average 50, 100, 200 HM Burgers has 1285 likes. Likewise, you have another one from Advent Trading, 3 moving averages and 10,734 likes, and I make it star. I know it is one of the good ones. I click on it, and it will be available for me in the favorites one. I got it twice. All I have to do is remove one, and it will be there as part of my indicators available for me. Okay, so I added here, let me delete one. So I've added twice. Now you have, let me hide this daunted channel. So I have the TEMA, which is fully customizable. I can, if I don't want second or third moving average not to be shown, I can remove them, which is beautiful. I want to make it 13. I want to make it 21, and I want to make it 50, because I invest from medium to long term basis. So I prefer weekly chart and day and the monthly chart. So I can add this here. This is a beautiful tricolor kind of thing which is there, and you can see the pattern has broken here in the moving average, is trying to come back. Infosys is in no recommendation. I'm just showing you for example purposes, no buy and sell recommendations. So this is, and you can still go ahead and add other favorite indicators if you want to, and like accumulation and decumulation, this one distribution. So you can add this, or you can, and now you are able to use the different indicators, because you are able to get three. This is basically 3 indicators in one. Then you got one more Donchian channel, and then the another one which is accumulation and distribution. So you are able to add total of 5, and likewise there are many of them. All you have to do is you just have to follow that and do that. Hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. And if you are liking our content and you think that we are doing a great job, you should give us a thumbs up and for this video, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new. And if you think that you want me to cover any specific video, just put a comment box below. If you want to share what was your 3 learnings from this video, you can put it in the comment box below, so that way you can help others also benefit from your learnings as well. Till the next video, I want to say goodbye to you and see you soon. Bye.